the 7 reasons not to use a cloud. And I'm going to do them fast. The first one is latency. How soon would you like to know that the object in front of your autonomous vehicle is either a garbage can or a little girl playing in the road? How fast you need to get an action. The second of 7 is lack of bandwidth. The data at the edge is bigger than all big data combined, therefore there's not enough bandwidth to send it all to the cloud. The third is even if you have the bandwidth, it costs to send it to the cloud. So a reason not to send it to the cloud is paying for bandwidth costs. It's a rather big expense. That's only 3 of 7 reasons. The fourth reason is if the data is sent off the edge, it's vulnerable to hostile attacks, cyber attacks. So it's more secure when you keep it at the edge. If you never leave your house, you will never get hit by a car. Unless the car comes into your house, but you get my point, right? That's only 4 of 7 reasons not to send all the data to the cloud. Right? So, number 5, reliability. I can't even make a cell phone call today without saying, can you hear me? Can you hear me? So reliability is a reason not to use a cloud. I'm not saying clouds are unreliable. Don't misinterpret me. I'm just saying if you need pure reliability, a cloud connection will put you at risk. And I think you would agree with that, because you all have cloud connections and you try to download a picture or a movie or whatever, or send an email, it doesn't work, da-da-da. Fine. How many is that? 5 out of 7, right. What's number 6? When you compute at the edge, and you do it in a way that is not storing forward, meaning you store all the data, and then you forward it, and you store it again, you eliminate duplication of some resources. Not all resources. Eliminate duplication, particularly in storage. How many is that? 6. And number 7. I learned all these 7 from end user customers. I didn't make them up. I didn't learn them from analysts. I learned them from the smartest people on earth, bloggers. I'm just trying to see if you're paying attention.
I want to meet that blogger.
I like tweeting. I learned it from customers. And number 7, I learned from a customer in the UK, in the city of Derby. And he said, I don't care about those other 6. I can't use a cloud because of my company's data policy, geofencing, and data sovereignty issues. It's policy. Now, you could argue the policies are related to the 6, but the point is it doesn't matter what the 6 are. It's policy. So we have a customer named Murphy Oil in the United States, an oil and gas company, and I always ask a customer, what's your edge and what's your things? Their things are drills that drill for oil. Their edges are their oil rigs that can be out in the middle of the ocean, well, it's not the middle, but out in the ocean or in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, which you know is south of the United States. They don't have a cloud connection because it's too expensive. They don't choose whether they have a cloud or not. They just don't have one. So now they have to process all the data at the edge and then take action immediately to control the thing, called the drill, to make sure it doesn't miss the target, which of course is searching for oil. So the reason I wanted to leave you with these 7 and then talk to you about the 3 C's, all this is on the test, right? It's 3 C's, the 7 reasons to not use a cloud, the stories my colleague Ned said, to hopefully engender some questions. But if not, that's okay too.
Can I volunteer an 8th one?
There are not 8.
There's no an 8th. Can I volunteer an 8th one?
Yes, you can. No. When you give me the 8th one, I will map it into one of the 7. But if you do have an 8th one, I will change the story. Go ahead. If you have one, sure.
No, I'm just thinking. One of my customers is saying like, maybe it's a subset, but it was sufficiently important for one of my customers to I can volunteer at an 8th one in scale, natural scale, because they're terrified of having to scale a cloud application that will break when that stuff comes over, and their reflex was, well, that edge premise has a much better chance of being able to.
Now, this is an interesting point. He's saying another reason not to use a cloud is because the cloud's broken. That's what you just said. It doesn't work. Yeah, I agree. That's a reason. The cloud doesn't work. It doesn't scale. Right? It's broken.